Great question. One thing I know since I was a freshman, um, we didn't really have leaders. We didn't play as a team. Um, we didn't prepare hard enough. Um, we thought we were just gonna walk in and win. Um, and like I said, just leadership, and I think Coach Mack hit it on the nail. I mean, we didn't do a good job, and honestly, as a defense, I think this week we're gonna watch at least 5 or 6 plays of, you know what I'm saying, well, how bad we were and how good we are now from last year to 2 years ago, and just see what how do we do those things wrong. Look at the details and how do we prepare that week, or how can we change that week, or how can we change the now that Coach Mack uses the now. So it was horrible.